Investing in direct mutual funds allows you to invest in mutual funds without involving intermediaries like brokers or distributors. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to invest in direct mutual funds. Understand direct mutual funds. Direct mutual funds are mutual fund schemes that can be directly bought from the asset management company without involving a distributor. They typically have lower expense ratios compared to regular mutual funds. Research and select funds. Conduct thorough research on different mutual funds and identify the ones that align with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Consider factors like fund performance, investment strategy, fund manager's track record, and expense ratio. Choose an online investment platform. To invest in direct mutual funds, you will need to choose a reliable and user-friendly online investment platform. Look for platforms that offer a wide range of mutual funds, provide easy navigation, and have robust security measures. Complete the registration process. Sign up the chosen investment platform and complete the registration process. You will need to provide your personal and financial details, complete the KYC process, and link your bank account. Select direct mutual funds. Browse through the available direct mutual funds on the platform and select the funds you want to invest in. Consider diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes and investment styles. Invest and monitor. Specify the investment amount and initiate the investment transaction. Once the investment is made, you can monitor your investments through the online platform. Keep track of the fund performance, review your portfolio regularly, and make adjustments if necessary. Stay informed. Stay updated with the latest news, market trends, and fund-related information. Read fund fact sheets, annual reports, and any other relevant materials provided by the AMC. Review and rebalance. Periodically review your investment portfolio and rebalance it if needed. Adjust your investments based on changes in your financial goals, risk appetite, and market conditions.